Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We want to find how long it takes to pay back the installation for the cooling. So on average, the typical home spends $1,201 a year on energy. And here's the breakdown: 47% on heating and cooling, 16% on heating water, 16% on refrigeration, 24% for lighting, cooking, and other appliances. So with proper installation, we can cut heating and cooling by up to 32%. If the cost of installing this installation is $201, how long will it take for us to recover the costs? Okay, so we can skip step 1. There is no free body diagram. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown. We're trying to find the payback period. Step 3, find the payback period formula. So it's costs divided by money saved. So let's find the money saved because they give us the cost already. So I'll just add that to the given values. So that's the cost for insulation. Okay, so for money saved, that's $1,201 per year multiplied by 47% multiplied by 32%. So you'll save about $180.63 per year. Step 5. Now we find the payback period. So $201 divided by $180.63 per year. So the payback period is 1.1 years. So the proposed measure will pay for itself in less than 1 year and 1 month. Okay. Disclaimers. The method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Once open, click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the question. Leave it in the comments. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.